كل شيء بالماء كما قال في كتابه المجيد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي. صدق الله العظيم. Distinguished President of the program, honorable guests, dignified teachers, and dear fellows. I am immensely honored to stand up here at the dais and share my views about the significance of water and our apathy. Dear audience, water is one of the most important substances on the earth. All plants and animals must have water to survive. Every living thing, plants, animals, etc. need water to grow. It is used to irrigate crops. It is required to prepare foods. It is necessary for personal hygiene, household, and different works. It is essential not only for human life, but also for nature. Water is the driving force of all nature. If there were no water, there would be no life on the earth. However, in the glorious Quran, Allah Almighty mentions in Surah Nisa, verse number 30, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. We made every living being from water. The origin of the creation and the basic elements of all natural things is water. Without water, there is no life. Allah created every living thing with water, even the smallest insects and reptiles. It has been stated in Surah Nur, verse number 45, وَاللَّهُ خَلَقَ كُلَّ دَابَّةٍ مِّن مَّاءٍ فَمِنْهُم مَّن يَمْشِي عَلَى بَطْنِهِ وَمِنْهُم مَّن يَمْشِي عَلَى رِجْلَيْنِ وَمِنْهُم مَّن يَمْشِي عَلَى أَرْبَعٍ يَخْلُقُ اللَّهُ مَا يَشَاءُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. Allah created every living creature from water. Of them, there are some that creep on their bellies, some that walk on two legs, some that walk on four. Allah creates what He wills. Verily, Allah is able to do all things. Respected listeners, every person needs a certain amount of water to drink. The health authorities commonly recommended 8 glasses of water per day. It helps hydrate our body and maintain it at the right temperature. It can help prevent kidney stones and constipation, and also protect our eyes, brain, and spinal cord. We lose water all over the day through our breath, sweat, and urine. We need to replace this waste to stay healthy. The quantity of water in the human body ranges from 50 to 75%. Infants have the highest percentage of water by 70%. Adult males contain the next highest level of water by 60%. Adult females contain 55% of water. Obese men and women have less water in percentage as compared with lean adults. It tells the significance of water in our life and nature. Dear audience, imagine what would happen if there were no water in the universe. How the oceans and rivers will be. Will be there any animal? Will be there planets and trees? Will be there life? No, and never. There will be no life. Water is necessity for human existence. Without water, there will be no animal or planet. It is hard to imagine life without water because we heavily depend on it to survive. As human body is made up of 2/3 of water and 1/3 of solid matter, every activity in the body is propelled by water. It is the water which is responsible for 2/3 of activity in the human body. Today, there is not enough fresh potable water for people on the earth, and the quantity of water on the earth is reducing rapidly. Just look back at 2015-16 drought crisis in Marathwada region of Maharashtra, where death toll reached an alarming number 1,548. There were reports about the people to drink drain and dirty water, and the scores of children were killed by falling into well in search of water. Here, let's know the factor behind such a drastic crisis. A study conducted by Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology Pune and the Indian Institute of Science Bengaluru has revealed that the 2015-16 drought in Marathwada was caused not by climate change, but poor management of water resources and excessive usage of water. Dear dignitaries, given the apathy towards the usage of water, it appears that our planet may one day run out of water, and inhabitants will be severely anxious for water to drink. Every one of us knows the significance of water for life, but average person wastes up water every day. Water is life. Don't waste it. To leave water running while brushing teeth, washing face, or doing other activities is one of the most common habits among people. Those who wash their car with a hose spend 100 liters of water. If they wash with a bucket, it will need only 20 liters. A bath in shower wastes about 80 to 100 liters. But if we take bath in tub, it will spend only 20 liters. These habits need immediate changes. Allah will ask about a single drop of water in the day of judgment. We should use it very carefully. We know its uses and importance, but we can never know the worth of water till the well is dry. To conclude, I would like to say that it is our responsibility to save water for the welfare of the earth. May Allah accept us to be a good slave, remove heedlessness and apathy towards water, and enable to work for the benefit of mankind. Thank you.